Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your vitamin D up. The most effective way to naturally boost your levels is through direct sunlight exposure. Your skin produces vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet B rays. Aim for about 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun, several times a week, depending on your skin type and location. This simple habit can significantly improve your vitamin D status. Beyond sunlight, certain foods can contribute to your vitamin D intake. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are among the best natural dietary sources. Additionally, many common foods like milk, orange juice, and some cereals are fortified with vitamin D. Even mushrooms, when exposed to ultraviolet light, can provide a good amount of this essential vitamin. On another note, if you enjoy reading, the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere. It's perfect for catching up on health articles or your favorite novels, even outdoors. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Now, let's get back to the video. When sunlight and diet aren't enough, vitamin D supplements are a reliable way to raise your levels. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for you, as individual needs vary. While many adults might need 600 to 800 IU daily, some may require higher amounts based on their blood tests and health conditions. Always follow medical advice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.